Alright, so again, let's go to checking the assignments of hotel website. And today we're going to finish the project, going to finish the contact page. And this is how it looks like. Alright, let's open the code we have done last week. I think I have it here.
What are we doing? We're not recording this?
Yeah.
Hotel website, open with code.
It's not on the screen.
It's not on screen? Okay, give me a second. It will be on the screen soon.
Dude, you're in the classroom. Stop pressing.
Give me a second. Right, so you should see, right, focus. We should be seeing the screen on the TV right now, so I'm start doing the contact page. Right, we're gonna first start to, again, let's erase everything. So we're gonna start from to create the template for it. Right, this is the contact page. Start with a template. And the first thing we need to do is we're going to copy the links and the meta information we need for this page. We can find the information on the about page or on the index page. So here is my about page. I should be find my descriptions I need, keywords I need, right? Those are things we typed before about the description of this website and the keywords for this website. We need both of them. Also, we will need the font awesome. Remember, we're going to have some icons on this page. And same thing for the style CSS. We're also going to edit the style of this page. So we're going to copy these 4 things. Copy them. Put them inside the head tag. Right? We put them in the head tag. I'm putting that before the title. And we want to organize it a little bit. Organize it a little bit. Enter some indent here. Alright. So those are everything we need. And we can start to do the navbar. So remember, all the pages have share the same navbar. So basically, you can copy the same navbar from the about page or from the index page. Right? And let's go ahead and copy it from the about page. All right? Let's copy the index from the navbar from index, navbar from the about page. So the header part is a navbar. Let's copy that. Header so from here until here, right? The header. So let's copy that to the contact page. All right, and don't forget to change the class equal to current. We're going to move it from about to contact. So let's see how it looks like right now. Let me open it. Go right click, open with live server. You can just double click to open the file itself. It's the same thing. All right, so that is our contact page. We have the contact highlighted. All right, this is the contact page. And the next thing we're gonna start to do is the contact us heading and the paragraph next to it. Right, those 2 things. Contact us and please fill out the form below to contact us. Those 2 things. So we're gonna put that thing in the next section. We're gonna create a section tag here. Section. Remember to lowercase everything in the tag. And we're gonna start from we're gonna start with a container. Remember, if we put the things in container, they're going to have a maximum width, right? That's what we did in the style CSS. So we do not want to put the contact us to the leftmost. We want to have some space between the content and the edge of the window. So we're gonna put a div which has a class equals to container, right? We'll create this class in our style CSS, adding a maximum width of the line. And h1 here, this is Also, we need a span here to add a color to it. Contact with the class text primary. So add a class to the contact and us. So it looks like that. So let's add in some style to it. We're going to add in some style to it. Let's give a name for the section. I'll call the section ID equal to contact form. This is the contact form section for the contact page. Right, contact form section. Let's go ahead and add in some style to it. So let's go to the bottom of it. Before the footer, I think. Yeah, before footer, let's add in some style to this. It's going to be about, contact form. Okay, let's just do contact. That's contact page. All right. Let's do contact. So the first thing I want to do is about the contact form. I want to change the H1 to be bigger font, so I can do a for the ID contact form. Inside this ID, all the H1, I want to make it bigger. So I want to say font size. I'll make it 40 pixel, which is way bigger than the small one. And also I want some line height to make it higher. It's going to be 1.2. Alright, let's check it. Right, it's a little bigger. I think it's 1.2 EM. Yeah, 1.2 EM. There should be some units. Alright, and also I want to add some padding from the top. Like I don't want it to be like a stick with nav. I just want some space between them. So let's go back to contact. I can add in the class py-3. That is adding 30 pixel padding to the top and to the bottom. That is created in our style CSS. py-3, yeah. Why it is not working? py-3, let's check it. I'm supposed to have that py-3. Oh, I just added it to the ID. Sorry. I just added it to the ID. It should be a class py-3. So it will be class py-3. Here we go. And there's some space between them, right? Just like this one. All right, and we're going to add a paragraph. Please fill out the form below to contact us. That is easy, just a paragraph. So let's go to the code. Paragraph. Please fill out the form below to contact us. All right. And sentence. Next, we'll start to do our form. Gonna start with the form tag. Right? Start with the form tag. Huh?
You turn this in by tonight?
By tomorrow class. Yeah, by tomorrow class. Well, before the class starts.
So you can watch the video.
So the form is ready here, and we're going to add stuff to it. Right? We're gonna add a name, email, and message. Right? It's gonna be three pair of them. The first pair is gonna be label, name, and input. And second one, label is email and input. And third one is message and with a text area. All right? Let's do that. So we're going to do let's see what I'm going to do here. Let's do a div. Right, let's do a div, putting it into divs. The first one going to have label. Let's say it's for name, right? Name, and put a name here, and then put input. The type of it is just going to be text, and it has ID name. Usually, when you do the input, you can also have a name attribute. And we are not going to using this right now. We're going to use that when we really make it functional. We're gonna need it in the future, so you can just go ahead and put it in there.
What do you mean, like first and last name?
No, I mean the name attribute.
Why you put two?
One is ID, another one is name. ID is a label form. Remember that? If you put the ID, name, and the full name, and when you click that label, it's gonna also target on the input. Remember that? So you can click it right now. Like you can click the input itself, and you can also click the label. It will also like highlights the input for you. This is the ID and 4 here. Does right? That is for the name. We actually did this everything in the sign up page. We're just trying to do it again. So another div, have label. This one for email. Email. Content is email. Is for email. Input. Type of it going to be email, and ID of it email, and name of it email. Right, always email. Right, so we should have both of them showing. And then last one we need is message. Another div. Label. It's for message. Right, just message. The 4 here should be matched with the ID of the next element. Here we're going to using a text area instead of input in the text area. Name of it is going to be message. Well, it just helps me to type. You don't have to do that. If you just start typing text area, you can also type everything by yourself. Text area. Text area has a closing tag. Be careful about that, right? Text area has a closing tag. The ID of it is message. Name of it, message. Text area, missing an A here. Yep. So it will be look like that. Something can be bigger and smaller. It depends on how much data you have it, right? That is the text area. And also we will need a button. After it, let's create a button here. Says submit. Here is a form. Right? That's all the content we have in the form. And now we are going to style it. It's a little bit smaller, but you can see this is the form. We're going to start style it. So firstly, we need to adding some class to the div, so I can style them in pairs. For example, this div, I'm going to give a class form group. This is my first form, the group, group of the form, and I have I'm going to apply that class to all of them. That is the second group, form group, class, form group. So I will be able to now adding some padding between them, or adding some margin if I want. Right, so actually going to adding some margin between them. That's going to be some utility class. That's going to be some utility class. Utility part. So I can add it in the front. So for anything with a form group class, please adding some margin bottom, like a 20 pixel. Margin bottom is M. Right, margin bottom. So there's some space between them right now. They are separated by 20 pixel margin. And next thing we want to do is for those labels, we want to make them block instead of inline. I'm going to make them block. Let's go to the contact part. Contact. For the contact form, all the labels inside it, I want to change the display of them into block. And also I want to have some margins. Margin bottom 5 pixel. Right, so I added some margin between the label and the text area, and between the label and the input, and also I make it in block. I make a display block, so it's going to be separated into two lines. Alright, that is for the label. Let's actually make it on the right so you'll be able to see it. Doesn't need to be much space, just that tiny. Alright. Next thing I want to do is input. So I want to do for the contact form or the input tag inside it. I want to make the width of it 100%, make it longer. Right, that's longer. And also I also want to make the same thing for the text area, so I'm gonna add a comment here to do two things at once. Also for the contact form text area. So we'll have a comment, so it's gonna be applied to both of them. Right, for both of them, I want the width 100%. Right, this is for all the inputs in contact form. This is for all the text area in the contact form. Comment here, apply both of them. And let's see what else we need. I want to add some padding to make it like make it higher. So let's add some padding. 10 pixel. Right, make it bigger. Let's change the border. I don't like the current border style. I want to change the border a little bit. And border, 1 pixel. The color I want to use here is DDD, a lighter gray, and also on the solid. So let me change the color of the border a little bit to the whiter color. I don't want the black one, but you can just feel free to using any other color, or even using a wider border, or just do not change it. It's fine. Just some personal style. All right. And for the text area, I also want to make it even longer. So what I can do here, I can see. I can just do. Especially for the contact form text area, I want to make the height of it. I'd like to make it like 200 pixel, make it bigger, right? That is much bigger. All right. So let's see. This is how it looks like on the bigger screen. That's how it looks like on the bigger screen. And this is again, this is the assignment. Like if you actually click on it, you see the border actually changed to another color. So that is again, it was white. It was like a light gray. When I click it, you see it changed to the yellow color. The way we'll do that, we're going to change the focus of the input. So in here, what we can do here is like for contact form input, when we focus it, gonna be column focus. And comma will do the same thing for the text area. So we're gonna do the same thing for the contact form. Is for the text area. When I focus on it, so when I focus on any of them, I want to make the outline none, and the border color to be the primary color, which is F7C08A. Yeah, this color I use a lot in this project. That is the primary color. So right now, if you just move your mouse over, click anything, it's going to change into the yellow color. Right? You can also click a label. It also works. Like when we focus on something, it's going to change into a yellow color. All right. And for the button here, I think we already have the class for that button. We just apply that class. I think it's just class BTN. Let me double check it. So class BTN. What do I have here? Yeah. Oops, the mouse over is actually not working. I actually want to do the mouse over for all the buttons I have. Like when I mouse over it, actually should change to some other color. Do I have the BTN color here? Yeah, this one should also change. Let me check it. Yeah. All the BTN should, like when I mouse over it, should go to the yellow color. I forget to do it in the first video, but we're gonna do it right now. Make sure when I mouse over it change to another color. So we're gonna add it to the utility class. That is for all the buttons. So let's add it to the utility class. Utility place. So here is BTN. I'm gonna add it to here. BTN hover. When I hover a BTN, I want to make the background into the yellow color. So it's gonna be F7. And for the font, should I make the font dark? Yeah, I'm gonna make the color the dark gray. So we're going to be number 333. So when I mouse over it, it's actually changed the color. Right. So also going to apply to other things, other BTNs on my page. Yeah. So all the buttons I have. What else I missed? The title is not correct. The about and contact. The title should be correct. Should be Hotel BT Welcome, Hotel BT About, and Hotel BT Contact. That is also very important. Gonna make it more visible when people trying to using Google search my website. So this one could be Hotel BT About, and this one should be Hotel BT Contact. Alright, so that is for the contact us form. And also, we also need a box, an info here. It's just like the one we have in the homepage, right? Just like this one, but it's another color. It's another color. Right? It's another color. Let's do that. So we're gonna do it here. Gonna be another section. In this section, we're gonna call it class contact info, the contact info section. Again, we're gonna put things into the container, so we're gonna have a div class is equal to container, right? Equal to container. Inside here, we're gonna using the class again. Remember, we have the class box. We have the box here. Right? We have box. We're gonna using this class again to create that floats 3 times. So we're going to using div with class box. That's the first box. Let's copy that. Second one, third one. I have 3 boxes. So the first one, I'm gonna have icon, not capitalized, smaller I. Have an icon, and the icon will have class is equal to FAS, FA hotel, dash hotel, and FA 3 times. It's gonna hotel icon. After icons have a paragraph, which is just gonna address of the website or of the hotel. Let's make it 88 Warren Street. And Roxbury, MA. Alright, that is our address. It looks like that. Let's add another one. Second one is gonna have an icon, class, FAS, FA-phone, FA 3 times. Paragraph. Eight 557 555 555. What? Anything wrong here?
No.
Okay. Right. Last icon. Remember all the icons you can find them on the Found Awesome. Right. Found Awesome. If you go to the search for Found Awesome, all the icons are here. I just check my notes, but you can just search for any icon you want it from here. Click on the icons. All the icons are here. Right. You can also search them. I'm using the one for the hotel. That's the first icon we're using. The second one is a phone. Here, this one. And the third one we're going to use is envelope. We're going to using this one. Right? This one. Which is, if you click that, it can tell you it's FAS and FA envelope. Right? You can just copy that and put that in here. And adding FA 3x, just make it bigger. Make it 3 times bigger. Right, that's for email, so it's going to be info@hotelbt.com. So that is 3 icons. And we also want to change the color of it. I'm going to have to create a class for it. Do I have it? Background. Let's see how much background we have here. We have background light, dark, background light, background primary. We can use a background dark. Gonna change the background into dark color, and the font of it is gonna be white. Let's using the BG dark. Go back to the code. My HTML. I'm going to apply that class to the contact info. This should be a class, or it should be ID. It should be ID. Section contact info should be ID. And I'm gonna add a class to it, which is BG dark. Right, should change everything to dark color. Here we go. And this is bigger because it's just changed it to bigger. Oops. Oh, I'm missing those heading here. Right? This phone location, phone number, and email address. Let's add those three. Somehow I just forget to add it. So between the icon and the paragraph, let's add in H3 here. The first one is just a location. Between the paragraph and the icon, this one is a phone number. And I'll have another one here. This one is a email address. All right, email address. Here we go. That looks so good. Let me check what we can do to fix it. Adding some space between the icon and the H3. For the H3, I only add the padding bottom. Let's manually adding them. Let's say I can use in class I created before to add into here. For this H3 here, I can say class py2, adding some y-axis padding. Let's apply it to all of them. Here we go. Adding some space between them. Looks much better. Right, looks similar right now. And the last thing we need is a footer. Right, last thing we need is a footer. We just copy the footer from another page. Oops, about page. Just looking for the footer here. Let's copy that. Don't forget the clear. Right, do the clear first, then do the footer. Copy both of them. Put that inside the section before the body. Right, let's fix the indent. Be footer, paragraph, and footer. So the color of the footer is mixing with the contact form. Am I using another color for the footer? Actually, forget it. The footer also using BG dark here. Maybe I can using another color for the footer. But it's actually not matter. You can using the same color. Sorry. We can actually add in another background to it. For example, here, background. Which color I used here? I used the 444. And I need to also to remove the BG dark from it. It's not going to use the BG dark. Remove that. Remove the BG dark. Alright, so it's going to be another color. Right, it's going to be another color. Also the fonts in white color. I'm going to also do that. Do color, white, maybe white color. Here we go. So that's it for this project. It's a project to practice HTML and CSS. Right, seems like everything is working. And be able to navigate around. The submit definitely this one not gonna work, but yeah, that's something we're gonna learn in the future when we learn the JavaScript. Alright, so I'm uploading the video to the YouTube. You should be able to see that.